side. There's some fishing people. Where's your woolly hat?
Who knows? It's 11 degrees, it's positively balmy.
It is a bit windy, isn't it? Where are you going? Move by the sea, he said. It'll be lovely, he said. Wow, it's windy. Got to walk off that fish and chips somehow. Do you want to go down there?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
Big steps.
Big steps. Oh, wow. They are big steps, aren't they? Whee!
Half a little legs like yours.
Oh. Seashells. How moody that is, look at it. Show me.
Soldiers.
These are soldiers.
Yeah, there's costume guards and then Welsh. Put it on. Put it on. cute. Yeah.
I suspect I'm very cute.
Do you know what this is for?
It says it's a haberdashery cabinet. So you'd have like different threads and things like that.
How wonderful.
It is beautiful.
Yeah,
Yeah, really beautiful. That. I wonder what that is inside. Late 19th century silver merchant's chest. Thank you everyone for all of your comments on the house so far. We're trying to smash through everything as quickly as possible because before you know it we'll have to go back to work and then we won't have the time to do anything. Ho ho ho! It is day 11 of my 12 days of Vlogmas. We've had a very exciting day today. We've been doing a bit of exploring in our local area. We had some fish and chips and a walk along the beach afterwards to walk off that fish and chips. Yeah, it was lovely. It was deserted as well. There was no one else around, just us chickens. Right, so we've got some good news and we've got some bad news. The good news is I get to open 3 boxes of candy kittens. And the bad news is I don't have my day 11. Went to the neighbours earlier on today to introduce ourselves and to say, oh, you signed for a package for us, but they'd already given it to our vendors who left it here for me. So what I thought was I had to go and collect isn't what I had to go and collect, and it was actually my birthday Berkeys. My birthday Berkeys. So I don't have day 11 homemade calendar. So these are all empty now. So I'm waiting for day 12 to come as well. We can go for the candy kittens though, and so I'm basically leaving 25, 4 and 3. Everything else we are going to eat. Day 20 says, if you need me, I'll be eating candy kittens. Day 21 says, the candy kitten mantra, less sprouts, more sweets, less sprouts, more sweets. I like sprouts. I think they actually taste quite sweet. And this is day 22, and day 22 says, I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, but if the white runs out, I'll drink the red. I can't disagree with that. Let's see what we've got in these. Oh, these are the other sour ones. Can't remember the flavour. These are, yes, these are the watermelon sour ones. Lovely stuff. Oh, I like these sour ones best. Oh, and more of those. So happy. I'm just going to pop one in just now. Yummy. Now for the Harrods fragrance, day 11. Come on, you can do it. Yay, day 11. Should have done this before I went out, really. But I didn't. This is quite a heavy little one. Famine London Sparkling Opal. This is another one I've not heard of. Where's my tasting notes? Under the tripod, helpful. Famine Sparkling Opal, 10ml. Chemical compounds. Oh, hello. Like this bottle though. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. I could be down to clown with this one. Yes, it's fresh. Again, it's quite oody. Does this say anything? No, it is just chemical compounds. Made in UK. Well, it's got that heavy oud spiciness to it. Again, it's got a little bit of a talcum powdery. Well, I don't dislike it. I don't dislike it at all. We shall see how that pans out after I've been wearing it for a little while. I haven't shared a bag of the day with you since we've been here because I used my Mulberry Mitzi East West Hobo and I haven't used it since because I've just been using my pockets for everything. Don't tell the lion because he'll probably say I don't need any more bags, but yeah, I've just been using pockets every time we've gone out. Okay, explain to me what we've done here.
We have used cardboard to block the exit down to the stairs.
And why have we done this?
Because we're going to let Daisy have a little roam outside of the room. Okay,
so this is to stop her from going downstairs. And then all of the other rooms are blocked off. My studio, the bathroom, the room of requirements, except for our bedroom, because she'll sniff everything in here and she'll be happy. Yeah? That's the plan. Okay, let's release the kitten. Hello.
It's okay, it's okay. Daisy, Daisy.
She's like, I can't get back in there.
Daisy. Yeah.
Come on, baby.
Come on then.
Daisy, come on, baby. Yes. Yes.
Hello. Do you recognise that?
What do you think?
She's doing alright, isn't she?
She's doing well.
Tails up.
You're doing really well, aren't you, baby? Oh, you want to look out the window, do you? Yes, she is. Come on.
Come on then. Let's go.
How was that little one?